The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This recipe transforms a whole chicken into crispy, aromatic, golden brown perfection through a 3-stage process: marinating in a fragrant ginger, 5-spice blend, steaming to lock in moisture, and deep frying to achieve that signature shatteringly crisp skin. The result is deeply flavorful chicken with a warm, spiced aroma that fills your kitchen, a beloved Vietnamese classic that pairs beautifully with steamed jasmine rice and a simple cucumber salad. Main ingredient: fresh whole chicken, cut into 8 pieces, 1 marinade, crushed rock sugar or 4 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 cup, shallots, sliced, 4, fresh ginger root, peeled and sliced, 2-inch, garlic, 4 cloves, water, 1/2 cup, soy sauce, 1/4 cup. Rice wine, sherry or sake, 2 tablespoons, 5 spice powder, 2 teaspoons, freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. For cooking, oil for deep frying, as desired. For garnish, sprigs of fresh coriander leaves, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Make the marinade. 1. Grind the aromatics. Place the rock sugar, shallots, ginger, and garlic in a blender. Grind to a smooth paste. 2. Combine and simmer. Transfer the paste to a small saucepan. Add the water, soy sauce, rice wine, 5 spice powder, and black pepper. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat and simmer uncovered, stirring regularly until the sugar is completely dissolved. 3. Cool completely. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Transfer the marinade to a large mixing bowl and set aside to cool to room temperature. Marinate the chicken. 4. Coat the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in the cooled marinade and mix until every piece is thoroughly coated. Cover the bowl with a cloth or plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, basting the chicken with the marinade several times during this period to ensure even flavor penetration. Steam and dry. 5. Drain and steam. Drain off the excess marinade from the chicken. Arrange the pieces in a steamer and steam for about 25 minutes. This partially cooks the chicken and locks in moisture. 6. Cool and dry. Remove the chicken from the steamer and set aside to cool for at least 30 minutes. Once cool enough to handle, pat each piece completely dry with paper towels. This drying step is crucial for achieving crispy skin during frying. Cooking steps. Deep fry the chicken. 7. Heat the oil. Pour sufficient oil into a wok or deep pot for deep frying and heat over high heat until very hot and shimmering. 8. Fry in batches. Carefully add the chicken pieces a few at a time. Do not overcrowd the wok, as this will drop the oil temperature and result in soggy skin. Deep fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the chicken is crispy and deeply golden brown. 9. Drain. Remove the chicken with a slotted spoon and transfer to a plate lined with paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Repeat the frying process with the remaining chicken pieces. Serve. 10. Plate and garnish. Arrange the crispy fried chicken pieces on a serving platter. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves and serve immediately while hot and crispy. Tips and notes. Rock sugar is traditional in Vietnamese cooking and imparts a gentler, more nuanced sweetness than white sugar. If unavailable, regular granulated sugar works well as a substitute. Rice wine can be substituted with dry sherry or sake. Each brings a slightly different character, but all provide the necessary acidity and depth for the marinade. Steaming before frying is the secret to this dish. It ensures the chicken is cooked through and juicy inside, while the skin crisps up beautifully during the quick deep fry. For a whole chicken presentation, keep the chicken whole rather than cutting it into pieces. Use more oil to deep fry, or baste the chicken continuously with hot oil while frying if you keep the same amount of oil. Make ahead. The chicken can be marinated, steamed, and cooled up to a day in advance. Keep it refrigerated, then pat dry and deep fry just before serving for the crispiest results.